Hi, let's discuss about the operators. Operators are the symbols that we use to perform the operations on variables and the values. Let's take one example like a plus b and a into b and a minus b. Here a and b we can call it as an operands, and remaining things addition, subtraction and multiplication, these are the things we can call it as an operators. Here just we will discuss some of the types of operators that we are going to be using in C++ programming. So first, arithmetic operators and comparison operators and logical operators and assignment and the bitwise operators. Coming to the arithmetic operators, just you can observe in this slide, just I mentioned very few arithmetic operators over here, that is addition and subtraction and multiplication and the division and the modulus and exponentiation as well. So here one thing just you need to remember, while you are solving any arithmetic expression, just you need to be follow the Pethmas rule. So for the Pethmas rule, for you are going to be solving the arithmetic expression, just you need to be follow. First you need to give the parentheses, and then after that exponentiation preference, and then after that division, and then multiplication and the addition and the subtraction as well. So these are the things that you need to be follow while you are going to be calculating any arithmetic expression like that. Just you need to be follow this one. So this is about the arithmetic operators that we are going to be using in this C++ program. Coming to the comparison operators, these comparison operators that we are going to be using mainly to compare the values between the two operands. So it returns either true statement or otherwise it returns the false statement. So just you can observe here, there is a equal and not is equal to and greater than or is equal to less than or less than or is equal to. So these are the comparison operators that we are going to be using. So just take one example over here. Just you can consider x is equal to 5 and the y is equal to 5. And then you can compare the values between the two operands by using equal symbol. 5 equal to 5, yeah, this condition is satisfied. Now we will get the written as a true statement. So same like that, just you can apply the remaining comparison operators between the two operands. You can consider not is equal to 5, not is equal to not 5. So this condition is false, so we will get it as a false statement. We will get the 0 value. So this is how the comparison operators it's going to be working in performing the operations like this. So coming to the logical operators. Logical operator just it is going to be using to combine the conditional statements. So these are the logical operators that we are going to be using in the C++ programming. One is AND operator, another one is OR, another one is NOT. For AND, it returns the both the statement is true, then only then it will returns the true statement, otherwise it will returns the false statement. Coming to the OR operator, it is going to be do any one of the statement is true, then it will return the true statement, or otherwise it returns the false statement. Coming to the NOT operator, if you pass the true statement to the NOT operator, it will return as a false statement. So this is how the AND operator and the OR operator and the NOT operator is going to be working. So don't worry if you can't understand the logical operators over here. Just after some time, just we will move to the dev C++ and then we will see how the logical operators is going to be working. So this is the assignment operator. Just you can observe in this slide, just I mentioned how we assign the values to the operands by using the assignment operators. So here just you can observe x is equal to 5 and then after that x plus equal to 3. Here x plus equal to 3 means x is equal to x plus 3. So it means 5 plus 3, it will store the value is equal to 8. So same like the remaining operator, just you can assign the values to the operands by using the values like x minus is equal to 3, it means x is equal to x minus 3. Just you can consider according like this, just you can remember this one, and then you need to be applied to the operands as well while you are going to perform any coding part or programming part. You are going to be developing any project, just you can do by using these assignment operators, then it is going to be very easy. Coming to the bitwise operators, these are the operators that we are going to be using to combine the binary numbers. To compare between the binary numbers, we are going to be using the bitwise operators. As you can observe in this slide, there is a few bitwise operators has been present over here. One is AND operator, another one is OR operator, another one is XOR operator, another one is NOT, another one is 0 left shift and the sign right shift. So AND operator that we already discussed, if the both bits is 1, then only then it returns the 1, otherwise it will return the 0. Same thing it is OR operator, it's a different form AND. So if the any one of the bits is 1, then it returns the 1, otherwise it will not. So XOR, it's a quite opposite between the OR operator that is going to be working. So for the NOT operator, what are the bits that you are going to be passing? Suppose you are passing the all bits the 1, and then you will get the output as a zeros output. So this is the how the bitwise operator is going to be working. Just you can observe in this slide, and then you can easily get to know. So these bitwise operators mainly we are going to be using while performing the operation between the binary numbers. Then we are going to be using bitwise operators. After that, otherwise we will not use this kind of the bitwise operators. If you want like perform the operations on binary numbers, then we are going to be using this one. So that's it. After that, just we will move to the this place, and then we will see how it's working of the some of the types of operator. We will look upon that how it's working. Hi, let's discuss very few some of the types of operators that we are going to be using. So first we will discuss the assignment operators and the logical operators over here. So first I am going to be using in the comment line what are the things that we are going to be discussing. First we will do assignment operator, and then we will discuss comparison operator, and then after that we will discuss the logical operator as well. So these are the things that we can discuss now. Just you can mention the header file that it will be hash include iostream, and then after that using, and then the int main function, just you can use it. Initialize the variables with the values. I'm just using int a is equals to 5, int b is equal to 6. Just I initialize with these two variables. Now you can what you can do, just you can perform the assignment operators to the one of the variable over here. So just I am going to be performing the assignment operator, that is plus is equal to. So how it's working, just we will look upon that. I'm just adding the 10 the number to the a value, means we will get the output as a 15. So this means now we will get the output. The computer is going to be storing 5 plus 10. This is how it's going to be working. After that, just we can display this one, and then we will check it how it is going to be working. And just you can compile this one, good, and then you will get the output as a 15. So this is the how the assignment operator is going to be working. So in this way, just you can assign the values to the operands, then it's going to be working according like this. So now just what you can do, just we will comparison operator, this we will look upon that how we are going to be compare the values between the two operands. So you can just display cout. Just we will perform the remaining comparison operators as well. Now here just you can apply a greater than b. Now I am just applying a less than or is equal to b, and here I am just mentioning here one more comparison operator, that would be a equal to b. Let's check it which condition is satisfied. So here just you can comment this one assignment operators. So here 5 greater than 6, no, this condition is not satisfied, so we will get the result 0. And then a less than or is equal to b, yeah, 5 less than or is equal to 6, this condition is satisfied. Now we will get the result as a true statement. So we will get a equal to b as a false, we will get the 0. Let's check it whether it's working or not. So you can execute 50, no, just wait. Here we use it here, okay. First condition is false, second condition is true, we will get 1 0 1 and 0. We get, yeah, 0 1 0 we will get it, because this condition is false, so that's why we are getting as a 0. This condition is true, we are getting 1, and this condition is 0, and then we are getting false statement, so that's why we are getting 0. This is the how the comparison operator is going to be working. So now just we will check it one more operator, that would be logical operator. So just I am going to be putting all these on a comment box. So for that, just you can use it hash star. You can end the comment box, that is a star hash. So inside this, what are the things is present, then it's going to be comment all the things. So now we will use the logical operator. So for that, cout, I'm just displaying. Let's check it whether this condition is satisfying or not. means just it is going to be checking 5 greater than 5, this condition is false, and 5 less than 4, this condition is also false. So both condition has been false, then we will getting the false statement. Let's look at how it's working. Yeah, it's a false statement, so that's why we are getting as a 0. So now we will check it one more condition. Just I am going to apply equals to. So now here 5 greater than or is equal to 5. Yeah, one condition is satisfied, and the 5 less than 4, this condition is not satisfied over here. Now we will get the result. The AND operator, what it is going to be doing, if the any one of the statement has false, then it returns the false. If the both statements is true, then only then it will return the true. So means it returns the 1. So let's check it. One condition is satisfied, one condition is not satisfied. Now we can check it. We will get the 0 as well. So in this way we can use it, how the OR AND operator is going to be working. Same thing, just we can use it, apply the OR operator. So for the OR operator, any one of the statement is true, then it's going to be written as a true statement, or otherwise it will written as a false statement. So here one statement is satisfied, one condition is not satisfied, one condition is satisfying. Now we can execute. We will get the true, so we will get the 1. So in this way the logical operator is going to be working. So you can just, if you want, check it the not operator as well. So this condition is satisfied, we will get in previous time as a true, now we will get the false because we are using the not operator. As you can observe, this is the how it's working. That's all about the operators. Just we checked about some of the very few types of operators. Okay, thank you.